Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Loves and today I would like to share my bike trip experience to a rose farm. This rose farm is near to my place. So on our way to the rose farm we came across a peaceful water pond. This rose farm is near KR It is very pretty. The farm is full of red roses and these have been planted beautifully. If you are already feeling rosy and want to explore these beautiful rose gardens, do visit. Due to rain, the plants are not in good condition. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.